like to introduce ErgoSuture. ErgoSuture is a medical device company with an innovative suturing system for joining together skin and tissue layers of patients. Its product line enables surgeons and other trained caregivers to suture hard-to-reach deep tissue incisions and wounds better, faster, and cheaper. Please welcome Claude Nogard, CEO and co-founder of ErgoSuture.
Thank you, Anthony, and thank you, Tien and his team for the invitation. My name is Claude Nogard. I'm the CEO and co-founder of ErgoSuture. I'm accompanied by Dr. Luis Almodovar, inventor of the driving wall and co-founder of the company. Our mission is to deliver advanced suturing systems that are accessible to all. In a nutshell, we are not developing the first rocket to the moon, but the first charter flight to the moon. 5 billion individuals don't have access to surgical care worldwide, or little access. The reasons are multiple, but at the center is the chronic lack of trained surgeons. Laparoscopic surgery was developed 20 years ago and had been transformational, delivering on short hospital stay, reduction in complication rate for patients, acceleration of recovery for patients. However, to this date, surgeons rely primarily on open surgery or advanced suturing system like the robot. And this is primarily because they don't want to deal with the pain and effort related to laparoscopic suturing. And the reason is simple. Devices used to suture in laparoscopic surgery have not evolved much in the past 20 years. Our objective with our device, the driving wall, is to deliver a solution that will enable surgeons to learn faster, to use this device with lower needle handling, enabling them for the first time to suture with the same technique across open surgery, laparoscopic, bariatric, and eventually robotic at a much lower cost. As you can see on the screen, our device was designed to look and feel like a traditional driver. And what you see on the video, it also behaves like a traditional driver. Now, if you actuate the rollers, it will enable the surgeons to basically transfer faster the needle to needle driver and passing the needle to tissue with more control and ease, and starting the cycle again, providing tremendous time saving in the suturing process. Our device will be sold with our proprietary needles. We are entering a market that is worth $6.3 billion and growing at a 6.5% rate. We have direct competitors, ErgoSuture by Medtronic and FlexDex. We're also competing with traditional drivers as well as the robot. We currently have 5 US patents granted. We also have 2 patents, one in the US, one international for our final product design. And we recently filed patents for covering our needles and extensions. We are already improving on our prototype, preparing for design freeze, and we have already constituted our scientific and business advisory board. We have a very experienced leadership team that is backed up by a tremendous pool of scientific and business advisors. We have an average 20 years of experience in the business, in both pharma, medtech, diagnostics, fintech, and software. And we have proven track record in startup creation and exits. We are looking at sales around $152 million by 2025 with an EBITDA of $55 million. We'll be launching 5 products in its planning period that will drive growth way beyond 2025. We are open to various exit strategy based on traction in the marketplace. Our product was developed thanks to healthcare providers, half of them being surgeons. We are currently raising $8 billion in Series A, and we're preparing to launch our product in early 2022. As I said to you, ErgoSuture's vision is to democratize surgical care, and hopefully you will come to discuss with us and we'll engage with you for the discussion. Thank you.